Okay, I thought first I'll show you how this squeegee works with the modifications I've done, and you can see how smoothly you can use this. I'll just do it again. Yes, I know I haven't scrubbed the whole window, but I'm just showing it how we use this wagtail with the modifications we've done. And one more time, or a few more times, or you can go ahead and see how we done it at the end here. And also notice we haven't dog-eared it at all, and you can see how cleanly this squeegee works because you got complete control because of the mods. Anyway, this is what we done. We have a standard wagtail, nothing ordinary, it's ordinary one. There are two things we've done is did the angle here and put the square lock on here. Oh, and also put a smooth running screw. And I suppose, well, that's about it.